On this episode, this is the episode where Roxanne gets beat up for having to mess with me. And this is episode 3, and she's messing with us, and we only in school for 3 days. And she doesn't love Ethan. Isn't that right? Oh yeah. That's just my character. I'm not really in love with Ethan. Yeah, we have characters. Don't change our names. But anyway, seriously, this is the part I beat up Tim for having to mess with my dream man. So watch this episode 3, and watch it. It's gonna be really good. Trust me. It's just a 1 minute video footage of us reviewing this. But this is the episode where I get beat up, slapped into everything. It's where I confess that I love Ethan, and I confess that I won't touch him again. Thank you. Now, so, like I said, she needs to show some courage and some responsibilities if she's wanting to do something really good. And I swear, if that girl comes any foot of Ethan, I'm gonna kick her behind. Just watch me. I'm really sorry to say this about my sister, but God, she keeps messing with my future husband, Ethan. And I just really just want to just back that booty up, because she's getting on my last nerves. On my last nerves. I can't believe it. Well, I better start getting this good. I'm gonna sit right here on my favorite spot. Might have a little picnic. Hey, pets, come over here. I can't believe I have top secret agent pets. They're really cool after a while. And this is my favorite because he's so cute. Hey, sister. Hey, sis. I heard your stupid self got pets to protect you. What your little pets gonna do? You can't change my future. You can't change my future because Ethan doesn't like you. You try to kill me, Ethan's gonna be there to protect me. I'm sure of it. But he shouldn't. He should be there to protect me. It's alright, Pitts. Go home, okay? Yeah, but anyways, I still think you're a dumb person. Oh, it's on, Sister Love. It's on. It's on, girl. You ever try to mess with me and my baby again? It's on. Ethan doesn't even know you exist in this world. He told me, he said, Phoebe is so dumb. That's what he said to me. He said, I'm cute. Unlike your sister. That's what he said. I'll go ask him myself. Oh no, it's on, girl. Oh, my hair. It's caught on you. Alright. I confess. I'ma stop. I'ma stop. Please just stop no more. Oh. Boom. I'm getting sick of this. And if you ever mess with my man again, it's on, girl. Like peace on some cheese. It's on. Get out of my face. Stupid self. Can't believe I even beat up my own sister, but she deserved it. So where's Roxanne? She hasn't been by me ever since 3 days. Oh, there's your earring, Phoebe. I got it for you. Why is your earring on the ground anyways? Oh, because I fell and my earring came out, that's all. So, what are you doing here all by yourself? Oh, really? Nothing, actually. Want a glass of milk at the cafeteria? It's your choice. Okay, let's get to the cafeteria. This is really romantic, Ethan. I really think it's really nice of you to do this. Oh, and it's okay. It's just a picnic. Just us 3 boys and you 3 girls. That's all. Isn't that right, guys? Razor never speaks. Why is that? Because he's a rat and most rats go like that. So, he doesn't speak. He just say, and stuff. He can even talk, watch. Razor, speak. Hey, man, how you doing? What? Can his dog speak? I don't know. I never tried with him. Jackson, speak. How you doing, man? How you doing? What? I never tried the snakes, so I'm gonna try it. Girl. Speak. How you doing, guys? You're twins. That's the girl, and this is the boy. Boy, speak. Yes, baby. I love the sound. Don't you? I can't believe. Just can't.